up, everybody? We're here again at First Gear Media. I'm Dakota.
I'm Matthew.
And today we're going to be reviewing this 2004 Procharged Mach 1 Mustang. If you're interested in this car at any point in the video, it's for sale at 360 Exotics in Austin, Texas. Now we're going to get into the review of this badass car. By the sound of that whine, this car is Procharged. It has a complete kit making 550 wheel horsepower. This thing is insane. Now, from the factory, this car had 305 horsepower from back in 2004. That's really good, but the Mach 1 comes with pretty much a naturally aspirated Cobra motor. You have the 4-valve 4.6 right here. This car is basically a cheaper option for a Terminator, but we're going to show you why this might be a little bit better than the Terminator itself. Some people might be asking why I would mention that this car might be better than a Terminator. Well, here's why I think it might be in this scenario. This Mach 1 has 27,000 original miles. It's a one-owner car. This thing is in immaculate condition. It's also a 40th anniversary edition. So, that being said, this car is offered at the attractive price of only $18,000. Now, I haven't seen a Terminator for under 20, so you were getting an insanely taken care of Mustang plus the power of a Terminator. But let's get into some other features about this car that make it so special.
It's also got MagnaFlow exhaust and its cam.
It's also got this nice set of American Muscle wheels wrapped in Nitto tires, which makes the power go down very well. It also does great in the rain because these tires are, I believe, all season. Another nice feature about this car is that not only is it a street monster, but it's a very nice dailyable car, nice AC and heat, Pioneer sound system, paired with the Mach audio system from the factory. This car is an incredible daily driver. And you can keep up with Z06s and Coyotes, even beat a few maybe. Have a very nice interior. This comes with the leather option, all in incredible condition. As I said too, you can use the back seats for daily driving. This car also comes with an SCT tune. It's also been dyno tuned recently, so everything is running in tip-top shape. Alright guys, now that you've seen all the nice features of the car, let's go ahead and take it for a drive, see how it goes. Alright guys, so even though this car is Procharged, it is an extremely smooth ride. You have a nice short shifter, which goes really well with the car. Super nice clutch, you could daily this thing all day long, no problems whatsoever. Looks like it gets pretty good gas mileage. It's nice, very well taken care of. There's no creaks or rattles and anything, which is nice for a 2004. You usually get the creaks and the rattles and all that, but this car is really smooth. And we're going to see how it does a little bit. This car's fast. Alright guys, so as you can tell, this car is no slouch whatsoever. This car pulls super hard, and thanks to that Procharger, the power is just instantaneous. Like I said, with 550 wheel, you could beat or keep up with many of like C6, Z06s, Coyotes. You're gonna be up to the game in this car, no problem whatsoever. So, like I said, this car is just, for the price, you get an insane value.
Holy shit.
Alright guys, so that's our review of this amazing 2004 Procharged Mustang. If you want to see more reviews like this in the future, please like and subscribe. And if you like this Mustang, please tell us in the comments what your favorite part was about it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.
See y'all later.